Okay, it's going really well. This is what I've learned so far. I do need 3 sizes of screws. I'm using the longer one here, probably about a 3-inch, because I'm going through the wood, through the aluminum, through a space, because there's a space in here. The only reason it's not collapsing it is because of our screws in there, so it's being pushed against the head of the screw, so it can't go further. Through that gap, and then into the wood siding, and after that it's not hitting much, unless we hit a stud. So we need to, and we're going at an angle, so we need, and you can tell the last 3/4 of an inch or 1/2 inch is when it's really hitting the meat. And I'm pre-drilling them through the aluminum and the wood here. Then for the sides, I'm doing 1 on each side, and I'm trying to stay high because I don't want to hit this screw right here. I maybe should drop that down a little bit in the future, but so far I've been missing it. So in that case, I'm using this intermediate size, probably about a 2-inch. And the wood siding is close here. It's a little bit of gap, but not much. So we're going at an angle, and that's hitting really good. Then up on top, we have wood to wood. So I'm putting 2 in, 1 right here, and then 1 on a side. And there I'm using probably about 1 5/8 inches. So they're going up into the wood. You know, they're going up into the wood about half of the screw, maybe a little bit more, about 1 inch probably. Now the other thing I'm doing is, so I'm trying to get those even as relative to our siding. Our siding appears to be straight across there. I eyed it down through and it appeared to be straight. So I'm using that as a guide, that upper edge. Here I'm getting a measurement from here to here and trying to keep them about the same, which is about 4.5 inches. So in some cases I have to kind of push this up to get this over. Okay, it's going well. Let's keep going.